How do we achieve all that? By eliminating the series nature that cells are connected to each other. We would love to chat with you and share more. Contact us now at info@dana.com.
And that was my minute. I'll talk to you in the breakout rooms.
Thank you very much, Uri. If you could stop me, thank you very much. And Fatih, if you could share your screen. Fatih is from Amphorax. Fatih, you're on mute, if you could unmute yourself.
Hello, I am Fatih Birol, the co-founder of Amphorax. We develop alternatives to antibiotics to replace ineffective or restricted drugs on the market. The spread of drug-resistant bacteria or superbugs is an urgent global problem. If unchecked, by 2050, superbugs will kill 10 million people a year, more than cancer. We intend to solve this problem, but we will start by curing chickens first. Why? Because we have identified and validated the poultry sector as an early revenue generator and a valuable testbed for human drugs. Also, this sector is in dire need of alternatives. In North America, the new antibiotic restrictions resulted over $1 billion annual loss for poultry farmers. Within 5 years, we target to reach our beachhead market of poultry production in Canada, a $50 million market, and then we will quickly expand to the US and beyond. Currently, we are seeking $1 million seed funding for the next 2 years. Please join us in the breakout room to hear more details about us and our plans. Thank you.
Thank you very much, Fatih. Up next, we'll be hearing from Taylor. He'll be talking about Build a Better Earth.
Hello, everyone. My name is Tim McCartan. I'm the CEO and founder of Build a Better Earth, and we make circular economy products that make money and build a better planet for future generations. So imagine this. You're coming home from a long day at work, and you walk into your kitchen and you smell something awful. Yet again, it's your kitchen compost bin. And you open it up, and you're greeted by dozens of fruit flies flying around your kitchen. You now have to take that bin out, and it drips all over your kitchen while you take it to the bin. And generally is just an overall terrible introduction to sustainability. Well, have no fear. Now there's BinBreeze, the world's first organic indoor compost powder that is applied directly on top of food waste. BinBreeze will neutralize odor, eliminate fruit flies, absorb up that moisture, and actually result in a more healthy, nutritious soil for the composter. It's now available in 3 SKUs. And our beachhead market is the 80% of Canadians who are already mandatorily composting. And then hoping to expand over the next 2 years into the EU as well as the US, both of which markets are growing dramatically because at the end of the day, composting, municipalities can't sell garbage, but they can sell compost. So it's spreading rapidly. We are currently selling BinBreeze at farmers markets, grocery stores, home and garden stores, lifestyle stores, as well as direct from our website. And we do have big customers, including Sobeys and Canadian Tire, as well as a variety of over 60 independent retailers. And I'd love to chat with you guys about the $300,000 we need to scale our company. Thanks.
Absolutely. So here we are, Origin Air. At Origin Air, we use genetically modified plant technology to remove toxins from indoor air spaces. Our vision is to restore and protect the most important resource that we have, the air we breathe, by becoming the world's most prolific smart air purification company. So, indoor air is 40% more toxic than outdoor air. We now spend 90% of our lives inside our homes and offices. The question is, who's going to address the 90%? We are. I'd like to introduce you to the Sentinel, our minimum viable product. This unit features the following key technologies: HEPA filtration, genetically enhanced living air purification, automated aeroponics, probiotic dispersant, and temperature and humidity controls. As a result of the COVID-19 pandemic, a key addition to our Sentinel was UVC light sterilization, which is certified at 99% effective to remove airborne pathogens and viruses from air that enters our unit. How are we going to generate revenue from this model? The simple answer is equipment fleet leases on 2-year terms, Average monthly recurring revenues of $750 per unit. We expect medium to large clients requiring between 2 and 10 of these units, depending on the square footage and their air quality. Additionally, we will have maintenance contracts to ensure that our units are operating properly. We are a rapid growth clean tech company, an answer to COVID-19 health challenges, and a scalable global solution to indoor air pollution. We need $700,000 investment and a strategic partner. That is it. I look forward to speaking to you in the breakout rooms.
Awesome. Thank you very much, Andrew.
Thank you.
Up next, we'll have Aqua Intelligent and Reza. Reza, if you'd like to go ahead and share your screen and tell us a little bit more about Aqua Intelligent and what you're up to.
Okay. Are you hearing me now? Okay.
Yes, we are.
Just give me a second.
I do like the branded t-shirt there. Nice to represent.
Thank you. Okay. There we go. Okay. Let's start. Walkerton, Ontario, outbreak resulted in a 6th death and then more than 2,000 waterborne sickness. In highness of this disaster, many of us are left questioning, is there water infrastructure as reliable as we think is? Do water staff have a required knowledge to protect their people from waterborne disease? Unfortunately, in North America, the answer of these questions often is no. The worst case, the disease issue gets worse for 200,000 small water systems, providing drinking water for small communities, hotels, hospitals, schools. The water we drink is virtually unprotected on its journey towards the taps. That's because water systems have no way for detecting contamination events in real time. So the question is, how do we address this challenge? We imagine something groundbreaking with VIC. VIC is real-time virtual intelligent consulting, which is going to help a small water system with their operation from the manual reacting to issue to proactively managing them. It is Aqua Intelligent Technology.
So imagine I've given you $10,000 and asked you to reduce your energy bills by 15%. Where would you start with that? How would you know how much energy that is? Sorry, I'm having trouble changing the slides. How do you know how much energy that is? Or what technology options are available to you? How do you build a budget around those options and know who to trust to help you implement them? Now imagine I've given you $10 million a year and asked you to do the same for 1,000 commercial buildings. That's the situation Justin, an energy manager for the world's largest real estate company, finds himself in. And it's a problem that's simply far too big to tackle by hand. It's a problem that 260,000 energy managers are tackling worldwide as they try to deploy over $1 trillion in energy efficiency capital by 2040. This is why we created Audette, to give energy managers digital superpowers by streamlining the processes that they use to deploy capital. So far, we've secured $400,000 in non-dilutive funding to work on Justin's huge problem. At the same time, we've generated $80,000 in revenue. And with our business model, we can capture $100 million in ARR with less than 1% of the North American commercial market. So I invite you to join us in a breakout room to learn more about the seed round we're launching later this year. Cheers.
Yes. Thank you very much.
Water quality monitoring is an issue affecting many large industries, including mining, oil and gas, and many others. There is no real-time method to detect contaminants like lead, arsenic, and mercury, which can lead to damaged machinery, lost revenue, and expensive fines. Our initial target market is industry because their pain is huge, with issues running into $10,000 a day in increased costs. 2S Water have developed a fully automated sensor which detects metals in water in real time. Our hardware can detect 40 different metals into parts per billion and can be adapted to change by changing the software, allowing us to scale our market offerings quickly and with low costs. Industry giants like Sherritt, CNOC, Suncor, Lithium Americas, and others are interested in validating our technology in their operations. Industrial partners need anywhere in between 3 to 15 units per facility. As a result, we see the market potential in these two sectors to be $185 million. While we are still pre-revenue, our first unit is currently piloting and we are in sales talks for our next deployments. We are currently raising $600,000 for 12% common equity to be used to secure customers, advance product development from alpha prototype to minimum commercially viable product, and working capital for hardware deployment. Please come to our breakout room or we'd love to tell you more.
Fantastic. Thank you so much, Anthea. And our final short presentation from the evening will come from Calmira Walls and Monty. Monty, thank you for sharing your screen there. And take it away when you're ready.
Okay. Hello, I'm Monty, CEO of Calmira Natural Walls, and our mission is to transform the way walls in our homes are built. Why is this important? In our rainy city, many people stress about mold and drafts in their homes. West Coast wildfires cause many thousands of people to panic about their homes burning down. Most people don't know that lovely new home smell is off-gassing of toxic chemicals, hugely affecting health and productivity. And waste generated by the building industry is massive. Calmira addresses all of these concerns with a patent natural wall system developed over the past 4 years at FP Innovation's UBC Research Center. We are one of only a few biocomposite wall material manufacturers leading the world in reducing these issues by creating products using only natural minerals and local organic materials. We take waste wood and make it into healthy, protective, and durable walls that last for generations, reliably created at lab scale. So far, Calmira has received many pre-launch inquiries with our prototypes, have demonstration builds in progress, and have worked out initial pricing. We are now seeking strategic partnerships and raising $100,000 pre-seed equity investment to follow up on industry interest, complete commercialization plans, and validate our remarkable